In this video, we're doing a private boat tour from Rio Dulce to Livingston. We're having all kinds of adventures, stopping along the way in hot springs. So you're going to want to stay to the end to see what kind of adventure we get into. Hey, you guys! Thanks for joining us on another journey. Today, we're in Guatemala. If you're new to the channel, this is April.
Hola!
And I'm Wayne. So hit that subscribe button and smash that bell because we do a video every Thursday from somewhere in the world. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey.
It's nice to get this perspective.
He's a nice driver. I'd have just gone through it.
So to give you an idea, guys, is living here with no power. They make the water and boil the water from the river.
The majority of people from this area is living from fish. Part is for sale and another part is for eating. But now the electricity is only by sun panels.
Hey, they got music, they're good. And it looks like the only way they can get to their place is by boat.
This is a small village, but they call Valle Quemado. It's born valley.
So this is not Livingston then?
It's not yet.
No.
Livingston is the capital of the province in this area. Many different small villages, they will get the Livingston name.
Look at the roots on that.
Those are just sucking the water up.
Yeah.
That's how it's feeding the tree?
Yes, we have two kind of mangrove. It's a red one and white one. Red one is the stronger one, and the another one is more soft. The root is coming from the branch. We recognize the red mangrove because they have a lot of roots. It's very soft. You can cut, but you can chew it.
You can chew it?
It's sour.
I always do that. I shouldn't do that.
Don't do it.
Better than Disney.
Way better.
We are going to the lagoon.
See, even plastic bottles out here.
These are signals because they have a drum. They are fishing crabs.
Oh, those are fishing crabs. Oh, okay.
The water color is dark because the water is thicker.
Underneath it's clear though, right?
Yeah.
That's like Florida.
The dark lagoon, the blue lagoon, or the black lagoon.
How much for the wallet? You
¿Cuánto
like a
cuesta
little
la
wallet like
billetera?
that?
This one with you?
I don't know which.
Oh, okay.
You like a wallet?
¿Cuánto cuesta este? 35.
Sure.
Red is rojo.
If you want to buy it.
Yeah, sure. We got that.
So wherever you think, as we travel, wherever you think is a good place to support the locals and purchase those things,
Exactly.
we would love to support.
But in here, if you want, we can be in quiet, only for hear the animal sound or the bird sound.
Okay, yeah. You guys should be here. It's so amazing.
I just enjoyed the silence on the Black Lagoon.
And the
It
bird
was
sounds.
meditative. The sounds, the feeling, the energy,
The light breeze.
amazing. In the meantime, take time to enjoy the silence in your life.
If you get a private boat, you can come and explore all kinds of different areas. If you're just on the regular general boat, you're very limited at what you can do with the crowds. If you need to know how to get a private boat, I'll put the link below to Heart of Travel. They will get you in touch with the people that you need to be in touch with. It's like a glass, it's a mirror.
But here is starting the aquatic garden. This one is a water lily because when there is strong sunshine, it's open in all. Now it's almost
Closed because of the shade.
The water lily was important for the Mayans. In some glyphos you can see the water lily representing the two life.
He's a boy bird. He's so light he can just stand on the water lily. Those are porch puppies. When I come back in another life, I'm gonna be a dog. They got the life.
They are the street dogs.
Sure, street dog's no good. We're enjoying the hot springs. It's mixing with the cold water and it's giving you this really neat sensation.
You smell?
Oh, sulfur.
Oh,
Yes.
it is.
Here, next to the wall, hot water is coming from that stone. It's mixing with cold water, and sometimes here in the tap is cold, and under is more hot. But it's better to swim and here because on here is warm water.
What's the name of the hot springs?
Agua Caliente. It's the same hot spring, but it's in Spanish.
Agua Caliente hot springs.
Agua Caliente is hot spring.
See, I don't know Spanish. I'm trying. We're gonna try the hot springs. You ready?
Yes.
It's hot, so we're gonna go get in hot springs.
Because we're not hot enough.
Hang on, let's see what we got. Ooh, it's definitely warm. The first 6 inches, 103. Bottom half is like 70. The top part's getting hotter. The bottom's still cold. It's got a little bit of a sulfur smell, but it's not overpowering.
What does sulfur do for you?
Tell us, comment below.
Blast on the back. Holy Mikey's.
Holy shnikey. What's nice about the hot springs, it's free. And they have a restaurant right here, so we're gonna eat some conch for lunch and traditional seafood soup.
And everyone enjoyed the view of Wayne's sexy
Yeah.
upper body.
You like this? Not here to scare everybody, but when in Rome, do as the Americans do.
What does that mean?
That means nothing, I have no idea.
Get fat?
It is nice to get away and explore and meet different people and see different cultures. If you want a true, authentic, real experience, come to Guatemala. You enjoy Guatemala?
Yeah.
Except for the no sleep part?
Yes.
It's hotter by the stairs.
You're going to drink the coconut. It's a yellow coconut. Oh, that's good.
We were told that yellow coconut is the sweetest. All right, let me try it. You gotta crest the coconut.
Why?
Because I always think of coconuts as breasts. I don't know why. This is tasty.
It's good. It's light. It's not super sweet. It's like water.
Yeah, but you know, you drink the coconut water in the can and it tastes terrible.
Oh, yeah. No, there's nothing like drinking it out of the real deal.
All I need to do is put a little rum in this.
Yes.
Heck yeah. Trying homemade coconut candies.
Oh, that's delicious. That's like a coconut macaroon.
That's the best kind of treat right there. I'd rather have that than apple pie.
Oh, yeah.
We have garlic shrimp. I have conch and
Tapado. In Guatemala, before to eat, we say buen provecho. Like to bon appetit.
Oh, my God, that is delicious. Try that.
that's like heaven in a cup. Is there a right way to eat this?
It's better with fingers.
Okay.
Can you find me a shrimp?
Yeah, it's right here. You want me to clean
Yes,
it too,
of
don't
course.
you? So I've got to try this conch. When was the last time you guys had conch and where was it? It's got like a little bit of a teriyaki sauce on it. And they say conch is good for your libido. Traditional food is definitely messy, but tasty. So this morning I had plantain for breakfast, but it was fried. And this is sweeter because it's been boiled and kept more of its flavor.
It's different flavor.
These are baby crabs. I'm not even sure what kind of crab they are. I have eaten tilapia a lot, and this doesn't even taste like tilapia. I think that's my favorite thing about traveling is everywhere you go, food is so different. Honestly, as Americans, we're so deprived of real food. I should have gone swimming in the hot springs after dinner because I need to take a bath. I took a seafood bath in my soup.
Wayne is so cheesy, huh?
Conch dinner and that amazing seafood soup with the fish
And the tortillas.
and the garlic shrimp dinner.
And the Coca-Cola. And the gallo. And the pineapple coconut smoothie.
$46 US, 362 quetzales.
Hola Wayne, hola April.
Hello.
Well, today you guys can take it a little bit easier, but you are gonna have a really fun market visit with Savings. So I'm so excited you have time to do this, to stop in the town of Rio Dulce. So many people just kind of breeze through and hang out on the boat and they don't actually get to see the town, but this is a really great example of what is a town and in more of the coastal area like. And Savings is gonna take you to the market so you can see a bunch of the different fruits and vegetables that we have and that grow locally in the area. There's probably gonna be some cool tropical fruits that we don't have here in Antigua where I'm at. And of course the fish market, being right on the lake, the river, and with the ocean so close, you're gonna have lots of cool seafood.
This will be a fun adventure.
Have a great time, take lots of pictures, and let us know how you guys enjoyed it.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias. See you.
Muy bien, nos vemos.
We want to thank you guys for watching our video all the way to the end. If you would, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and like always, thank you for living life.